Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a tutorial on how to do the perfect drop fade. Whether you're looking to perfect your skills or you're trying the drop fade for the first time, this video is made for everyone. Now first and foremost, if you require any assistance cutting the top or learning how to style it, refer to one of my previous videos because this video will be focusing just on the fade. The first step is quite simple. I'm just debulking all of the sides and getting the correct shape that we want. Making sure our longest guard is about a 3 or 4 open and we're working straight into the graduation. Once the sides are completely debulked, we want to use our 1.5 guard flicking out the whole time in a circular shape from the C-cup to the back of the occipital bone. We then want to continue this shape with our trimmers, making sure the shape is exactly what we just did with the 1.5. Remember, if you are a beginner barber, don't put this line in too hard because we want to be able to get it out later. Then we go in with our foil shaver and we bald everything out. So now that the fade's prepped, this is when everything starts to fade in. We're going to go in with a 0.5 flicking out the whole time. Then we're going to go with our 1 all the way open, doing the exact same thing, going up a little bit higher. The next step is to go in with the 1.5 closed and just touch any of that weight. The following step will just be to grab the 0.5 guard and flick that little line that you see in between. And then finally we're going to close our clipper all the way and fade out the bottom line. Making sure that if you can't get out the line, we're just using the corner of the blade and flicking out. The final step will be to line up the C-cup into the fringe. In my opinion, this makes the haircut stand out that much more and really makes the fade pop. Now if you see any imperfections in that fade, make sure you go back to them and fix them up. I like to finish my haircut with enhancements just to make the haircut stand out that much more. Now I like to do my haircuts in 3 sections. I like to do both sides and then the back, so this is just me smashing out the back, doing the exact same method that we just did on the sides. Now to finish off this style, I like to add matte pomade and then a little bit of texture powder to ensure that we have the desired shape. And that's the cut. I hope you guys enjoy. If you did enjoy, please share to your friends. And if you have any requests on haircuts, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks guys.